YouTube world, this is my new stick shifter. Pretty easy to install. I'll flip it up. Not much there to it. This is my old boot right here. Notice it had its true 180,000 miles on it, so I decided to pull it. Took me all of 5 minutes. I think this adds a little bit nicer look at my VW. Got new floor mats that are already dirty, thanks to ECS tuning. I also changed my temperature sensor right here. That was a pain in the ass. It was hot. And I'm going to be putting a video up on how to change the secondary air pump.